Our world is changing. Energy systems are evolving from centralized structures to more efficient models, where energy is generated close to the point of consumption. Photovoltaic systems are ideally suited for this purpose. But what if installation conditions are challenging? This is where our custom PV solutions come into play. As a long-standing PV specialist, we transform complex challenges into successful projects. One example of this is our project in Flachau, in the Salzburg Mountains. The extreme altitude of 1,200 meters, demanding geological conditions, and a 45-degree slope presented us with significant challenges. With special foundations and a custom-designed substructure, we established a productive energy source on difficult-to-access terrain. We also encountered exceptional conditions at the extraction site of a dolomite sand plant in Berndorf. The highly heterogeneous terrain with slopes of up to 25 degrees required specific adaptations. Despite winter conditions and the movement of thousands of cubic meters of earth, we successfully installed the power plant. The energy is fed into the mining facility via 2 compact transformer stations. Our project in Werfenweng, nestled between the impressive mountain ranges of the Tennen and Hagen Mountains, also set new standards. The extreme slope of about 40 degrees across the entire area required the use of a specially modified crane truck with a pile driver attachment. Additionally, we implemented a hillside water catchment system to control water drainage. The electricity is now fed into the newly built transformer station. Whether in the mountains, on rugged terrain, or on corporate rooftops, together with professional partners, we implement cost-efficient PV concepts from Austria across Europe. Since 2011, our expert team has been planning, constructing and operating economically viable large-scale PV projects for the B2B sector with precision and excellence. Our portfolio includes EPC services for rooftop installations, ground-mounted solar plants, agrivoltaics, PV carports, alpine voltaics, as well as facades PV, storage solutions and energy infrastructure. With locations in Vienna and Tyrol and offices across Austria, we pursue a common mission: shaping the energy supply of tomorrow, together, sustainably, decentrally.